welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Ipsy Plus box for August of 2020. And I'm honestly so shocked right now because it's August 7th and I have my Ipsy Plus. I have Informed Delivery and I saw that I was getting something from Ipsy today and I was really confused. It shipped out on like the 4th or something, I don't even know, and I was like, what am I getting from Ipsy? That makes zero sense. And then I just opened my mailbox and I was like, oh my god, I did get something from Ipsy, and I'm like, what is it? It's in this huge packaging, and I'm just like, what? And I opened it because I had no idea, and it's actually my Ipsy Plus. I don't know why it's not in a box. I was confused, but like, it's here. Usually Ipsy doesn't start shipping out until the 6th, so I'm like, are they making up for the lack of boxes coming to you early or on time? And I half and half feel like really excited that I have it already, and I also feel kind of like guilty because there's so many people that still don't have their July boxes, and so I'm just kind of like, I feel kind of bad that nobody else has their July boxes, and here I am really freaking early opening my Plus. So I feel bad, and I hope that you get your boxes soon. It was 100% the shipper. It wasn't Ipsy that had anything to do with it. And I actually have another package coming through that same person. It's like Pinty Bows or whatever it's called. And that one's kind of like at a standstill, so it's definitely that shipper, I can tell you that. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what's going on in this Plus. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you would do me the honor and go ahead and be a subscriber, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so my first concern is the fact that here's the bag and here's the palette. So I am a little like, I hope that this is safe and not like broken, because you know people are just like throwing stuff, and anything in just a bubble mailer kind of like freaks me out. So hopefully that this palette's not broken or I'm going to cry. So first things first, I'm gonna open the palette up because I just want to make sure that it is not broken. Fingers crossed, because I really would cry. This palette I'm so excited for. It's the Venice Fling Bailey Sarin X Estate eyeshadow palette, which she's a YouTuber, I guess. Everybody's like so excited. I've never heard of her, but I'm excited for the palette, and I think the packaging is super beautiful. Let me know down below if you want me to do an eyeshadow look video. I've been filming them. I just haven't like done the voiceover for them yet, so just know that they're coming. Oh wow, okay, so this palette reminds me of a Juvia's Place palette, like how big the pan size is, and it looks so pretty. Rose Tattoo is like calling my name. Look at that orange shade. Beautiful. Okay, I am really excited to play with this palette. Let me know if you want me to do a look with it, and I can do that because I've been into doing that lately. You just haven't seen it yet because I haven't posted them. Now let's get on with what is in the actual bag. Now, I actually really like this drawstring bag. I know there's like some yeses and nos on if you guys like the drawstring bag or not, but honestly, it's pretty legit. So I don't see things falling out of it. It's a thick material, so it's not like, you know, thin. It doesn't seem like it's see-through. Well, maybe a little bit. You have this little holographic Ipsy tag here. Ipsy is kind of like holographic. Well, it's not even holographic. It's just a silver glitter. But let's open it up and see all the products inside and see if Ipsy actually picked out all the products that I picked out and there's no mess up. So fingers crossed for that. I'm just gonna dip my hand in here. Okay, first off, Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lip Cream, and yeah, this is in the shade Feminist. Really excited about it because it is a nice neutral shade. I've always loved Huda's packaging for this. It's so cute. Let me go ahead and get this out and give it a swatch for you guys. Super excited. Let me just give it a mix. There is the shade. Super pretty. Love it. It's definitely going to be a shade that I'm going to use probably very often because I am so into these colors. Also, I apologize about not being in makeup. I wasn't expecting to film today or like in the next couple of days, so I don't feel like putting makeup on. here it is. Hi. Yeah. Also, if you are somebody that has shopped my Poshmark, all Poshmark orders will be shipped out on Monday. I'm waiting for me to get boxes in from UPS. Anyways, next up is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. So excited about this. So far, so good. We are getting the items that I chose with no problem. Here's the packaging, and here is the powder. It has little like watermelon seed bits in it. You can't see it because my camera is not wanting to focus. And it definitely smells like watermelon. It almost smells like actual watermelon. Like not an artificial watermelon scent, but like a legit watermelon scent. I don't want people thinking I do drugs. Okay. The texture's weird on this. Like, look at how it's sitting on my finger. Like, if you guys picked this, you'll know what I'm talking about. It feels kind of velvety, but it feels weird when you're touching it, like with your finger. So if you get this, feel it and you'll know what I'm talking about, but it feels so buttery smooth. Like I think this is going to like really perfect like your makeup. Like I feel like it will, especially if you're someone that does the like backwards makeup steps like I do. I have it linked down below, my flawless foundation routine. But yeah, it feels like as if it's literal translucent powder, but like in this form, in a compact. I don't know. Does that make sense? And I like how it smells like actual watermelon. Like maybe a little artificial, but like really true watermelon. Anyways, I'm really excited to give this a try. It feels amazing. Like it feels like the roof of your mouth when you eat mashed potatoes. Do you know what I'm talking about? If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Okay, next up. Oh, here's the card. Build your perfect bag. Save the date. Yeah, it just has the information, and this is the Future is Yours. Okay, now we have, yep, I got my other product. This is the Wander Beauty eye gel in clear. I've been wanting to try out a lot of eye gels, and honestly, this was the choice that I was like, I don't want anything, but if I'm gonna pick something, I would pick this. It doesn't have too much of a strong scent. It doesn't feel like much is on the... Oh yeah, okay. Okay, I think I might like this. We'll have to give it a try, but I am excited. Last thing in the bag, and yes, it is my Eyeko Black Magic Mascara, Drama and Curl. I'm not gonna open it just in case if I don't ever use it or whatnot, so I'm not gonna like dry it out by opening it up, but this is the mascara. It says designed for after hour seduction. Okay. Our ultimate mascara enriched with keratin and shea butter creates drama, volume, and curl with a carbon black finish. Designed for after hours seduction. All right, so that is everything that I got in my bag. I am honestly like blown away that I got it so early because I was thinking that this bag was going to be kind of like janked because, you know, you have the first and the third to pick, but like I already have it, okay? And that's what, 4 days after the last day you can pick. Maybe if you pick on the first, they like ship out faster. I don't know. Maybe they're apologizing for the delay in shipping. I don't know. I kind of want to swatch a few more shades of the palette really quick. Like Soul, this yellow, really pretty. Let's see, Bonfire, which is this pink color. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Anyways, that is everything. Let me know down below. Have you gotten your July bag yet? Have you gotten any kind of shipping information about your Ipsy yet? Am I the only one that's gotten it early? Like, I don't know. Let me know down below all thoughts and opinions. And are you just as like shocked as I am? Because I'm shocked, okay? Like I said, I was not planning on making a video, but here we are. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!